Enter Galaxy Kids! The journey starts at the Learning Path. The Learning Path has over 400 lessons and follows an international school curriculum. It will be like your child's first graduation. Your child will learn the phonics and vocabulary for over 1,000 English words and more than 50 sentences related to topics such as fruits, friends, things at school, and many more. We recommend completing 1 to 2 lessons daily, which takes 10 to 20 minutes a day. In our Learning Path, you will find our smart AI chat buddies, your child's pocket-sized conversation partners. Our chat buddies are the perfect solution to acquire native pronunciation and practice speaking anywhere, anytime. Other exclusive features of our Learning Path are live classes, popular games, songs that kids love. To increase motivation after completing the lessons in the Learning Path, your child will earn gems. The gems can be used to buy toys at the Toys Room, where your child can play with them and interact with Maxie, your new study buddy. Using our learning method consistently can help your child start speaking English in as little as 90 days. And stay tuned! We release new content every week to keep challenging our young students. Now, happy learning! Galaxy Kids, a fun language school in your pocket.